If you're confused at all about trying to find a crossbar setup or a roof rack for your 2011 to 2019 Ford Flex that has the raised rails on it already installed from the factory, then I'm going to share some insight from my own pain in trying to find the correct size or type. For example, these are not the right types. The crossbars are the square, which are fine, but these feet, or the towers, are for a Jeep. They clamp onto the rain gutter that runs alongside the top of the car. Those don't work for the Ford Flex. The ones that I ended up with are the Thule Wingbar Evo Flush, or some combination of those words. What they do is they clamp on with a steel band. They fit here. And the reason that I got these ones is because the ones that they had recommended on the website do not work. They straight up don't fit. And the reasoning for that is because the raised rail from the factory on the Ford Flex is 2 inches tall, which is a lot larger than a regular car. For some reason, it's about twice the size. It's also a little bit thicker, running around 1 inch to about 2 inches at the bottom, or more. Measuring from the front, it's just under 45 inches directly across, and then from the rear it's 42.5 inches, so it actually narrows as it goes back. You can either get some of these flush rail kits or the low profile, or whatever you want to call them. They have, from any brand really, it should work, but these steel bands will wrap around, and I had to max out the setting to get it to fit because of these thick rails. But they come up, they clamp on, they attach to these two posts here, and then you can tighten them with a 5mm Allen or a hex, whatever you want to call it. You can also use the Yakima Timberline Towers. They are a similar setup. They're not the low profile ones, but the towers will actually sit, and they have a band that should fit. I've actually seen a video where they are fitting, so I know that they will. There's also the famous but impossible to find Yakima Whispbar S56s. I could not find a single one of those. So these ones do work. There's just the cover that you can put the lock on. I ended up finding a old Sears 20 SV, which is like one of the largest cargo carriers I could find on Marketplace, because Sears doesn't exist anymore. And they just clamp down to the bars as such. But don't trust the fitment on the site. Like the Thule website tries to fit this car with a setup that just straight up doesn't work. I've tested it. They are more flat, and they sit on top. The towers, they have a band, but it won't fit no matter how hard you try. It's too short because these are so big.